Hi, I'm Barry and I'm a product specialist at Win Kelly, Chevrolet Buick GMC in Clarksville, Maryland. This is the 2018 Chevrolet Malibu LS model. The LS comes standard with a push-button start, passive entry system, touchscreen radio, backup camera, and even Wi-Fi. Let's take a look at this awesome new Chevy Malibu. The passive entry system on the Malibu is a very user-friendly system. As long as you have the key somewhere on your person, you walk up, notice that's locked right now. Push the button on the door handle and you can unlock the door. It's very easy. Inside the Chevrolet Malibu, we'll notice it comes with a lot of very nice standard features, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a touchscreen radio, and even a backup camera. This car offers Wi-Fi. It's a 4G LTE connection from OnStar, and it has a push-button starter built right into your dashboard. The interior trim has a diamond pleated pattern going across the dash. It's a very nice design piece of the Chevrolet Malibu's interior. Makes it feel very elegant. All Chevrolet Malibus come with an automatic transmission, and there's a variety of engine choices. There's even a hybrid model, and the hybrid model drives kind of like a Chevrolet Volt, where there's really not a transmission. It just kind of accelerates the more it needs to and backs off when you let your foot off of the accelerator. The 2018 Chevrolet Malibu is a very comfortable car. There's a lot of space inside it. It's a mid-sized sedan. It has a lot of room in the front for the driver, a lot of room for the passenger, and the back seat's also very comfortable. We'll also take a quick look at the trunk because the trunk has quite a bit of room. It's quite surprising on this car. The Chevrolet Malibu is one of the safest cars General Motors has ever built. It has a 5-star overall safety rating, and it's 5 stars down the board. Let's take a look inside the trunk and see how large this Malibu's trunk really is. The Chevrolet Malibu's trunk is very wide and very deep. There's quite a bit of room in here. The Malibu has a very unique feature for folding down the back seat. There's actually a release lever mechanism. You just kind of give it a pull on the right side and a pull on the left side. It is a 60-40 split fold, which allows for large cargo items to fit that are kind of bulky. Now that we've unlocked the back seats, we can now fold them down. It's very easy to do. You just pull the seat forward. The 2018 Chevrolet Malibu, a really amazing car with a lot of great features for not that much money. Sticker price on this car is $24,000. Stop in at Win Kelly today and check one out for yourself.